Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a set of spanners, a screwdriver, and a clean cloth. It's crucial to work in a well-lit area to avoid any mishaps during the process. Start by unplugging the Silvercrest SKMC 1200 from the mains. Safety is paramount, and working with electrical appliances requires caution. Once unplugged, place the appliance on a stable surface, preferably a workbench or table. Next, remove the outer casing of the motor. This typically involves unscrewing several screws located at the back and sides of the unit. Use your screwdriver to carefully take out these screws, placing them in a small container to avoid losing them. As you remove the casing, take a moment to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. A clean environment is essential for effective lubrication. Once the casing is off, locate the motor components that require lubrication. You will typically find bearings and moving parts that benefit from a good quality lubricant. It's advisable to use a silicone-based lubricant as it provides excellent protection against wear and tear. Apply the lubricant sparingly to the moving parts. A little goes a long way, so ensure you don't overdo it. If you're unsure about the amount to use, refer to the manufacturer's guidelines or consult a professional. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. After applying the lubricant, manually rotate the motor components to ensure the lubricant spreads evenly. This step is crucial as it helps to distribute the lubricant throughout the bearings and moving parts, ensuring smooth operation. Once you're satisfied that the lubrication is adequate, it's time to reassemble the motor. Carefully replace the outer casing, ensuring that all screws are securely fastened. It's important to double-check that no tools or cloths are left inside the motor before closing it up. Before plugging the appliance back in, take a moment to inspect your work. Ensure that everything is in place and that there are no loose parts. If you're feeling uncertain about any aspect of the process, remember that we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, allowing you to make informed decisions about your appliance maintenance. Finally, plug the Silvercrest SKMC 1200 back into the mains and test it to ensure it operates smoothly. Listen for any unusual sounds that may indicate a problem. If everything sounds good, congratulations! You've successfully lubricated your motor. In summary, regular maintenance, including lubrication, is key to prolonging the life of your appliances. If you ever find yourself in need of assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We're here to help you keep your appliances running efficiently. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.